As a premier integrator, 2GI Technology has specialized in digitalization and industrial processes for over 22 years. Our expertise involves SCADA, MES, IoT, and we offer ready-to-use solutions, including hosting and telecom. My name is Guillaume Jimenez, founder and CEO of 2GI Technology. We are one of the oldest ignition integrators in the world.
My name is Nicolas Raflejeau. I am project manager and designer developer in 2GI Technology. Over the years, 2GI Technology has successfully implemented solutions in the manufacturing industry, chemical industry, and water and wastewater management. Thanks to its recognized expertise, including in large groups, 2GI Technology is very active in France and in Spain, and occasionally active in Europe, French-speaking Africa, and the United Kingdom.
I'm Matthew Leclerc from the Saint-Gobain Glass 4.0 team, product owner of the products and EMS applications. Saint-Gobain Glass Industry is the group's flat glass business unit, specializing in manufacturing and distributing innovative glass products for the building and automotive markets. Saint-Gobain Glass Industry strives to implement applications that are easy to deploy across many countries and operated 24/7. Two of our recent ignition applications meet this target. ProAct is Glass Industry's digital performance control system. It is a dashboarding tool that allows production teams to choose the KPIs that they need to monitor to ensure the line's performance is under control. Energy Management System, or EMS, allows a plant to set up and manage their energy meters, then collect the meters' data to monitor energy consumption throughout the site.
I am Sébastien Brasi. I am the laminated line manager of Eurofloat in Salaise, a Saint-Gobain Glass Industry plant. On a production line, we need visual dashboards to collect data and have a global overview of our activity to make the right decisions. Historically, we use paperboards as our performance control system. However, paper makes it difficult to track KPI trends, and it is time-consuming to take note of KPI value and prepare daily meetings. That's why we were excited to launch ProAct on Ignition to streamline our performance control. With the central digital team support, we invested some time to train our local users and help them to build dashboards that suited their special needs. Indeed, ProAct offers us a large choice of widgets, which allows us to customize visual dashboards and adapt them to our needs very easily. EMS's goal is to enable us to monitor and therefore reduce our energy consumption. In the EMS application, our energy meters are automatically detected. They are then referenced to their location in the plant. Then, because Ignition streams the meters data to Glass Industry's data lake, we can consult reports on our energy consumption per area. This enables us to drive energy reduction projects.
The last 2 years, partners like Plantformance and Saint-Gobain Glass strengthen the international presence of the company. Within these two projects, we are using every module and concept provided by Ignition, including the Enterprise Administration Module and the Gateway Area Network. We had to create and deploy Ignition applications in several countries within a hybrid architecture of local real-time data and shared data from the cloud, which Ignition easily allows.
ProAct and EMS work with 4 data providers: OPC tags supported in the Ignition core module, MicroStrategy for historical data built outside the Ignition layer, Microsoft Planner, and GlassRef, the main configuration manager built by the Saint-Gobain IT team. Plantformance accelerates our application rollout process by utilizing their communication bus to connect with external services.
I'm Maxime Ravoisier, Digital Transformation Manager in the Saint-Gobain Glass Industry IT team. I have been working for the group for 11 years, overseeing digital transformation. Worldwide leader in light and sustainable construction, Saint-Gobain Glass Industry consists of 20 factories worldwide, each with its own local challenges to address. Our central digital teams support our plants' digitalization through the standardization of local and central initiatives. This includes industrial processes, application using Ignition as a technological standard, as well as data consolidation and visualization. We use a centralized master data application to define and describe indicators, including KPIs and OPIs. The goal is to be able to know, for each factory, zone and production line, the reference values and limits, as well as the means to access this data, such as tag path. Ignition then simply connects to this repository and interprets the definitions.
It is complex to build a scalable application, one that is deployable to many countries and languages while connecting to third-party interfaces and respecting cybersecurity rules. That's why Saint-Gobain Glass Industrie mobilized both 2GI Technology, Premier Integrator, and Plantformance, Alliance Partner.
My name is Dominique Villet, founder and CEO of Plantformance, a Swiss company founded in 2017. Plantformance delivers expert operation and maintenance of ignition on site within nearly 100 Saint-Gobain factories in 30 countries. These edge services are complemented with a sophisticated central enterprise communication bus, facilitating seamless integration between factory operations and enterprise-level solutions. We are very proud that 2GI very successfully made a massive rollout of their application within Saint-Gobain using our infrastructure and support.
We now use ProAct every day for our team meetings, since the target we set ourselves on the KPIs make it easy to spot which areas need attention. We also use ProAct to monitor live data to keep key process parameters under control, ensuring major losses are prevented, and the line's performance control system is on track. The synchronization of ProAct on Ignition with Microsoft Planner helps us to launch corrective actions, which we follow until completion, ensuring our production line parameters is always under control. ProAct is a unique solution for Saint-Gobain Glass Industrie plants that we can adapt locally. ProAct not only helps us to save hundreds of hours preparing meetings and collecting data, it also streamlines the performance control process, keeping us on track every day. Area boards containing live data can save up to 50 kilo each per year by allowing us to prevent major losses.
On a project basis, building these applications on the Ignition platform with scalability in mind from the start allows us to deploy them to our plants rapidly and safely. We are now able to offer our production teams robust, standardized, and smart applications that bring real value to their users.
Ignition provides a crucial lever for reducing our applications' time to market. Indeed, the platform is now available for all our factories with a standard infrastructure, allowing us to deploy our application at scale while ensuring regular version upgrades. Additionally, its unlimited number of tags, unlike other solutions, enable us to grow quickly to meet new needs.
When in the right hands, 2GI's hands, Ignition has proven to be a sophisticated tool to collect, process, and display data. Our end users are happy to have one platform that they can use to access and act on their data, presented to them in an accessible format and on any device, courtesy of the Perspective module.
Our future strategy with Ignition remains to rely on our standards and develop a culture of local learning to benefit our plants from local achievements. Additionally, Ignition remains our reference technology to help us improve our performance while meeting our decarbonization objectives through energy control projects. Ignition is an outstanding accelerator in the digital transformation of our factories, thanks to our standard architecture with Plantformance, the power of our solutions, and our privileged integrators 2GI. This combination of technological expertise, along with the expertise of Saint-Gobain Glass Industrie, allows us to turn our needs into reality.
In the last 2 years, partners like Plantformance and Saint-Gobain Glass amplified 2GI's international presence. Working with Ignition allowed us to build 2 outstanding applications and deploy them in record time.